Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for another love bite for you. I guess the last one for the month of November. Let's just check on your energies and see how you guys are doing. And these are general collective readings, Cancer, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Angel Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Cancer, as always, we're going to start with an angel blessing card to top the reading, and let's see what blessing and advice the angels want to give you. After that, we'll start your tarot reading. So blessing or an advice card, my angels, for Cancer. Oops. Practice makes perfect. Just jumped out even before I could spread the cards out. So I think it's best that we keep this one. And I don't know what you have to practice to be perfect at. I'm sure the cards are going to tell us here, but whatever you're doing, Cancer, I think you're on the right track. Keep at it. You're going to win. So welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support to the channel. And I'm very blessed to have you all here today. And if you're new to the channel, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Cancer, let's see what's in store for you, or how your energies are doing right now. What is it that you need to know? We'll also take 3 cards of advice later, okay? And if any of you need a private reading, Cancer, my email is in the description box below. So 3 of Wands in reverse. Turning your back on someone, Cancer. Let's see. The Moon. 5 of Cups. Death in reverse. 8 of Pentacles in reverse. Queen of Wands upright. And the Emperor upright. The Sun. Ace of Swords. And the 8 of Cups. Yes, Cancer, some secrets have been revealed, I think, to you. Something's become totally clear. And things have kind of slowed down, it seems. And you now don't want to live in regret anymore. You want to move away from whatever was troubling you. You want to move ahead to something more peaceful in your life. I think you're done with regretting the past, or looking at all the past mistakes which were made, how things maybe didn't turn out the way you wanted, whatever didn't give you wish fulfillment here. Now I think you're no longer confused here. Things are quite clear to you now that it's time maybe to end something and get out of that place where you're always sad and regretful. I do see a little bit of, yes, a little bit of lack of courage here, Cancer, to be honest, because there is a fear of letting go here. So what's this 5 of Cups, Spirit, in reverse? What's this 5 of Cups in reverse? I think you're trying to escape a situation here, Cancer, with somebody who was not the best to you, I think. This person maybe spoke or speaks rudely to you, is never clear in their communication, is sometimes quite harsh, is unemotional, and you are trying your best, I think, to get away from the situation, but you're still kind of lacking a little bit of courage here. There is a fear of letting go with the Death card in reverse. Oops, too many cards. Yeah, but you are thinking about it. Yes, you are thinking heavily of how can I leave? How can I get out of this situation that I'm in? I'm not happy here. I don't want to work on this situation anymore. But even though you think about it, you're still looking for some clarity. And the thought of leaving this person, I think, still makes you a little bit fearful. Yes. I think you are right now concentrating on your work, and you want... you're trying to work on your own independence. You want clarity. You feel this past situation is kind of now ended. You are looking good, though, with the Queen of Wands energy, and the Emperor is here as well. Somewhere you feel this chapter is still not open yet. Okay? Queen of Wands, Spirit? Queen of Wands? Why is the Queen of Wands here? This situation is getting a little, emotionally overwhelming. You know you have to make a choice. You know you have to make a decision. You have plans for your future. You want to, move ahead with your own passions, looking for clarity, working on yourself, but yet something stops you. Maybe there's a decision that has to be made with this chapter of your life which is yet a bit open. It hasn't shut completely. You're still waiting for some secrets to get revealed, to be clear about what you should do. This is a very strong attachment, Cancer, the Queen of Wands and the Emperor. There is something, maybe a karmic relationship between the two of you, which seems like, you really can't get away from this person. There is a deep attachment with this person, even though they don't make you happy. They don't give you a sense of victory. They are ungrounded, yet they seem very difficult to get rid of. You are right now very emotionally overwhelmed, Cancer. You really don't know what direction to go. You're not completely happy with this person, but you do try and see the higher, take a higher perspective and try and kind of maintain balance with them. You sometimes see them as happiness, sometimes you want to block them off. There is a lack of clarity here. Yes, you are right now, I think you're removing your focus from this person and trying to work on your own security. Ace of Pentacles is in reverse, Ace of Wands is in reverse with this person, and yet you feel that they are your equal counterpart. Sometimes you really want to kind of give up the fight altogether and walk away from this person, and then you return right back, it seems. It's almost like somebody has done some magic on you, right? Each time you think you're going to move away, you get pulled back in. Each time you think that you're clear and don't want to work on this relationship, you get sucked right back in. So what's this Magician energy, Spirit? What's this Magician energy for Cancer? What's this Magician energy with Cancer? Yes, Cancer, it's the same thing. It's like each time I think you try and pull yourself out of this relationship, you get confused again, you want to make one choice, you want to heal yourself, but you just keep ending up returning, and again you feel like a loser each time this happens. You feel it's kind of, it's your bad luck, or it's karma or something which pulls you back into this person's energy each time. But let's see what's the advice from the universe regarding this. Spirit, what should Cancer do in a relationship like this? A relationship where they feel they should get away and yet they can't. What should they do? What's the advice or message for them? I have the Justice card up, right? So what's the Justice card, Spirit? Why is the Justice card here? I think it's time, Cancer, to bring some balance back to your life, okay? And yes, you've tried many times and maybe failed many times, but Spirit is saying practice makes perfect, okay? You'll have to pull yourself out of the clutches of this situation. It could be a job, it could be a business, it could be a partner, it could be a something. But Spirit is saying it's time now, because this is not going to give you happiness in the long run, Cancer. You should not try and have a reunion with this person. Maybe you've not been listening to your intuition till now. Your intuition's been trying to guide you here. Now that you have clarity and all the secrets are out, I think it's time now, Cancer, to put an end to the situation totally, right? It's time to make a choice. The Lovers is in reverse as well, which means a choice has to be made where you stop juggling now. This back and forth is not going to serve you well, Cancer. It's now time to make one decision, and it's time, I think, to move ahead passionately in your own life. Okay? Let's take one more for the decision. What decision should Cancer make, Spirit, now? Need I say more, Cancer? It's time for you to drop your burden now. Just let this situation go which has been very, very overwhelming for you. Yes, you've tried to move away many times, but somehow it just keeps coming back into your life and you feel very, very attached, and maybe there's a fear of letting go of this person as well. Okay, so Spirit is saying bring justice back to your life. Uh, this is now you know the truth, right? You know the truth. It's time to bring an ending to the situation. You have to make that choice. The choice is yours here, Cancer. Are you going to keep juggling all your life, or are you going to bring this to a halt? So that's all I have for you, Cancer. This is just a mini love bite. I will see you soon, now in December, with a longer reading for love. All right. Thank you. Namaste.